A perennial ryegrass plant will only ever have 3 live leaves. When the 4th leaf appears, the first will die. The optimum time to graze is therefore at the 3-leaf stage. Pastures at this stage will typically have a yield of between 2,500 and 3,000 kilograms dry matter per hectare. Grazing before this stage means that we would be losing potential growth, but leaving pastures go beyond this point allows for dead material to accumulate and for digestibility and subsequently quality to drop. The challenge is to graze at a point where we have maximised growth and maintained quality. This optimum point differs between classes of stock due to their different capabilities to utilise grass and performance targets. This table gives a guide to the range of pre-grazing covers, or as sometimes called entry covers, for different stock classes. At the top, needing the highest covers, we see dairy cattle. They have high intake requirements and therefore need easily accessible grass. They have the physical capability to graze covers of this height and have a rumen developed to efficiently digest the fibre content of these pastures. At the bottom of the table, we see weaned lambs, who are better suited to lower pasture covers. Due to their smaller mouths and their reduced ability to digest fibrous material, they need leafy, digestible pastures to flourish. In some situations or systems, we may choose to allow very high pre-grazing covers. This is known as deferred grazing or holistic grazing. What these systems may lose in grass quality and at times growth, they may gain in soil health improvement and saved feed conservation and feeding costs. In the next video, I'll be discussing pasture utilisation.